What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to name these organic compounds. As you see here, we have chlorine and we have carbon, and also we have carbon in this side, and they are connected with oxygen atoms. So if I want to draw this organic compound, it's going to be like that: CH2, that's going to be the chlorine, and here is going to be CH3. So as you see here, that's going to be the longest chain in this chemical. So this is going to be carbon number 1, this is going to be carbon number 2. So that's why we can call it 1-chloro 2-methoxy ethane. This is going to be the methoxy group because this methyl connects to the oxygen, so that's why we have methoxy. It connects to the second carbon, that's why we have 2-methoxyethane, and here we have 1-chloro. That's going to be the IUPAC name. For the common name, we have here, if we call it common name, we need to name these two separately. If we do common name, the naming is going to be different. Here it's going to be the number 1 carbon, that's going to be the number 2 carbon. So that's why we call it 2-chloro ethyl methyl ether. So it's going to be 2-chloro ethyl methyl ether. So because it has to be alphabetically ordered, so you need to write this one first and then methyl and then ether. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe this channel. You can have access to lots of other videos regarding chemistry and other topics in math and science. Thank you.